Stop chasing money. Stop chasing happiness. Stop chasing love. Become rich in here. Love yourself. And be happy all the time. Neville Goddard said, don't chase none of these things. Act as you already that person. Act as you already have that money. Act as you already in love right now with yourself. A lot of people are chasing money out there. I'm going to get that money. I'm going to get that money today. When they say I'm going to get that money, that's like chasing money. You're saying to the universe, you're chasing money. Because when you go get the money, you're going after it. And when you're going after the money, it's going to run away. So that's why you're broke. Because you're chasing money. And that money is running away from you. You got to stop chasing. Go within. And if you want to be rich, you got to be rich within yourself. Imagine yourself already having that money. Once you get on that frequency, the money will come to you, will come knocking at your door, saying, hey, I'm $100,000 here. I'm here for you. You know, when I say knocking on the door, it's not really going to come knocking on your door, but you know what I'm saying. Opportunities will pop up where you will be able to make that money you always wanted. Or somebody will send you a check in the mail. It's going to happen in different ways you can never imagine. So just become that person. Feel good about yourself. Know that you're already rich. Know that you're already rich with life. You're rich with abundance of love. Stop chasing it because it's not doing you any good. The universe thinks you're lacking. And whatever you put out there to the universe is going to reflect back to you. You're going to stay in a state of lack. So stop running. Stop chasing. Slow down. Go within. Meditate. And then after you meditate, then you just go about your day acting as if you're already rich. Acting as if you're already in love with yourself. You love yourself first. And that person is going to come to you to bring you more love. Because when you're loving yourself, that means that you're putting love out into the universe. So the universe is going to bring you more love. It's going to send you that soulmate that will love you just as much as you love yourself. Happiness. If you're not happy with your life right now, and it seems like things just keep staying the same, that's why. Because you're not happy. You're not happy with yourself. You're not liking what life is now. So find something to be happy about and focus on that. Focus on that. Long as you keep focusing on something that you are happy about, I don't care what it is, the universe is going to bring you more happiness. So all these other things that are making you unhappy will go away and will be replaced with something that'll make you happy. But you have to be happy with yourself. If you think you're not attractive enough, you have to love something about yourself. You can't go around thinking that you're ugly or that you're fat. If you feel like that, fix that, change that. Change your health. Lose that weight. Take care of yourself. Find some natural things to put on your face if you think you have pimples or dark spots. There are a lot of natural things that you could take that'll change your appearance. But first and foremost, change your diet. Because if you have spots and all kind of things on your face, that's making you look unattractive, change your diet. Start studying about the right foods to eat that'll fix your skin, have your skin clearer, and have your body looking slimmer if you're trying to lose weight. Once you do all those things, then you'll definitely feel good about yourself. But first, you got to go within. And once you go within, all the answers is going to pop up. They're going to show up. They're going to come to you. You don't have to run here and run there to try to get money, to try to get happiness, to try to get love. You have to exude all that within right now. Once you have all that within you right now, you're going to attract what you always desired. You're going to attract that. So stop chasing it. Stop chasing it and just go within and love yourself. And on that note, I just want to say peace, get woke, and keep manifesting.